This week we've been talking to a range of different companies who are leading providers in their field. Here we examine Corporate Project Solutions and meet its director, Ivan Lloyd, along with the Project Support Coordinator and Development Director of the Eden Project.
Corporate Project Solutions have been established for 10 years. We specialise in helping organisations manage projects more effectively through people, process and technology.
The Eden Project really is the world's first scientific institution, but with a rock and roll attitude. We explore people's relationship with plants and in that try and get people excited and interested.
Corporate Project Solutions work with people to improve their level of skills. We look at organisations' processes and assess them against best practice and implement the Microsoft Enterprise Project Management software solution to help organisations effectively control their portfolio of projects.
The Eden Project really engaged with CPS because Eden's about daring to dream but also organising to deliver. When we met CPS we were struck that they were a company that really could help us organise to deliver.
The first step was to look at the current level of project management maturity within the organisation. Initially we worked with the Eden team on some basic project management processes, looking at the initiation of projects within the organisation. In parallel with the work on processes, we've been looking at a pilot implementation of a program management system that will help monitor the performance of projects. From there, having understood the requirements, we've undertaken a training program to transfer the knowledge to the team members.
Eden is still a relatively young organisation with a team of highly talented creative people. What we particularly liked about CPS when we met them was that they instinctively understood that any process that we put in place for project management at Eden needs to support that creative culture while still delivering predefined business benefits. CPS have helped us by installing and configuring a software solution which we've then gone on to customise with them. This has allowed us to trial some of the processes that we've already been developing on projects that are running here today.
2004 was a great year for CPS. We saw our consultancy practice treble in size. We now have a client portfolio of over 200 companies, including organisations such as the Eden Project, LCH ClearNet, Birmingham City Council, Channel 4 Television and Teletext.
The future for Eden is very next Spring Festival, Bulbmania, then a summer session which is the best floristic display you've ever seen, with the autumn focusing on science. And beyond the destination, we're looking to take a range of products to market that have some really good environmental impacts. I think CPS can help us actually make that future happen.
With more and more organisations committed to aligning projects with strategic objectives and ensuring an adequate return on investment, CPS are perfectly placed to ensure success.